So let's start chapter number 9, Zombie Wins and Loses. For our zombie game, we are going to want to keep track of how many battles our zombie have won and lost. That way we can determine where we can maintain a zombie leaderboard in our game state. We could store this data in a number of ways in our D app as individual mappings, as database struct, or in the zombie struct itself. Each has its own benefits and trade-offs depending on how we intend on interacting with the data. Tutorial we are going to store the stats on our zombie struct for simplicity and call them win count and lose count. So let's jump back to the zombie factory as well and these properties to our zombie struct. Modify zombie struct to have two more properties, win count. Okay, add properties here, joint 16 and joint 16 loss count. Here it is. Now remember, since we can pack units inside a struct, we want to use the smallest unit so we get the way away with it. A unit 8 is too small since 2 to the power 8 to 56. If our zombie attack once per day, they could overflow this within a year. But to the power 16 is 25536. So unless the user wins or loses every day for 179 years straight, we should be safe here. Now that we have a new properties on our zombie struct, we need to change our function definition in create zombie. Okay, here it is. Change the zombie creation definition so it creates each new zombie with 0 wins and 0 loss. Okay, so here it is. 0 wins, 0 loss. There it is. So I think it's a correct syntax. Now let's test it. Yes, it's correct. So now we have completed chapter number 9. Now let's move on to chapter number 10.